Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Asian Flavors. Today I am making beef chapli kebabs which are very delicious, very juicy and tender from inside but crispy from outside. This is a very famous dish from KPK province, Pakistan, but it is equally famous and liked by throughout the country. So stay with me and let's check out the ingredients. But first I would like you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to stay connected. For beef chapli kebab, here are the ingredients. I have taken half kg of beef mince. It is dry. All the excess water has been drained and it has to be dry. With that, I have taken around 3 tablespoonful of finely chopped fresh coriander, around 250 grams of finely chopped onions or 3 medium size. Kindly squeeze the excess water of the onion. Here is tomato, is finely diced. Remove the seeds and make small dices. We also need tomato slices as per requirement. For binding, I'll be using rice flour. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons. And 1 tablespoonful of ginger garlic paste. And this is ajwain, a very traditional herb used here. This is just a pinch. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt. Kindly adjust your spice level according to that, and 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala or mixed spice powder. Here is a whole coriander seed. This is 1 teaspoon. And this is dry pomegranate seeds. This is also 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon whole cumin seeds, and this is 1 teaspoon crushed dry coriander seeds. With that, I have taken 1 green chili which is also very finely chopped. So let's start mixing the batter. First of all, I have added the mince in a large bowl. Now I will add onions. I have squeezed the water, excess water. Just put all the onions in a thin cloth and squeeze it. 3 tablespoons of finely chopped green coriander. Green chili finely chopped, ginger garlic paste, all the dry ingredients. The most important is the dry coriander seeds. Now mix all of the ingredients very well. Knead it like a dough. Rice flour and tomatoes will be added after a bit. First we have to knead this dough just like we bake batter of pizza or other wheat dough. and give it around 2-3 minutes. Now I'll add tomatoes. Knead it again and knead it very well. Now I will add rice flour. First I will add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. And I'll check if dough will not combine. I'll add more. Knead it again. No, I think the dough is not in the perfect consistency. I will add the remaining 1 tablespoon. All the ingredients are very well combined. I'll put it in a refrigerator for around half an hour. So all the spices can be really incorporate with each other. It is almost half an hour and now I'll make kebabs. Before making kebab, do grease your hands, or you can just moisture them with simple water. You can also adjust the size as per your requirement. As if you are making it for dinner, so you can make it in larger size, and if you are making it for simple breakfast or tea time, so you can make small pieces. At this time you can make and freeze them as well. So kebabs are ready. Let's fry them. Here I have taken oil for shallow frying. Fry the kebabs on medium heat and add a slice of tomato. Give it around 2 to 3 minutes from each side on medium heat. So you can see they are perfectly cooked. Looks very delicious and crispy from outside and looks incredibly delicious. Serve it with simple garden salad and green chutney. You can see they look absolutely delicious. Enjoy the treat, make it for your family, for friends, and do let me know their feedback as well. So viewers, goodbye for now, and let's meet up in next exciting video.